So nucleophilic substitution reaction, one nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile. Here Nu minus is nucleophile, X is a nucleophile, X is a leaving group. X is called as leaving group and Nu minus is called incoming nucleophile. Incoming nucleophile. Then Rx, X is replaced by nucleophile, that means Rnu plus X is going outside, that means X minus. So this is a new product. One nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. One nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile. One nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Suppose we can take one example, RBr. RBr with OH minus gives, so ROH plus Br minus. So this is one Br is a nucleophile. Here Br is replaced by another nucleophile OH minus. So Br is known as leaving group, leaving nucleophile. OH is known as incoming nucleophile. So one nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution means one nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here we are taking CH3Br. CH3Br means what is its name? Methyl bromide. Methyl bromide. So methyl bromide. Here CH3Br. Hydrogens are very smaller groups. Br is negative part. So Br is a negative part and Br is replaced by OH. That means we can get a CH3 instead of CH3Br, we can get CH3OH. That is the final answer. But this process occurs in this way. Here OH, normally first Br is a negative part, Br is a negative part, so OH also a negative part. So OH attacks directly on the Br. Not possible. Not possible. Why it is not possible? Br is a negative part, OH minus is a negative part. Between the negative parts there is a repulsion. So this is known as front side attack. Front side attack. So here first point I am writing here. Front side attack. Front side attack not possible. Front side attack. So one by one. So I am explaining and I am writing, students. Front side attack is not possible because repulsion between OH minus and Br minus. Because OH is a nucleophile, Br is a nucleophile. Between the nucleophile there is a between the negative charges there is a repulsion. So front side attack is not possible. Then what it will do? It can attack on back side. So this color indicates back side attack. See this? So OH minus comes back side of carbon because hydrogens are very smaller groups. Because of the smaller groups, very large gaps are possible between the two atoms. Then OH minus attacks on the back side. So here in this case only back side attack is possible. So back side attack possible. Back side attack possible. Next point. Here backside attack is possible, but whenever it attacks on backside, it will not attach completely. So we may guess OH is half attached. That's why dotted lines. That's why these dotted lines. See this? I am giving tick mark. So this bond between carbon and OH is dotted lines. This dotted lines indicates OH is attached half and Br will break half. So this is half bond and this is half bond. Totally half plus half, one bond. Okay. So this state is known as transition state. Actually, this transition state is our imagination. It will not form actually. It is highly unstable. This is our imagination only. So simply transition state possible, and this in transition state OH attached to the OH attached half. That's why this half means partial negative charge is possible above OH. So OH attached half and Br breaks half. So OH attached with half bond, Br breaks half bond. Br breaks with a half bond. So here in transition state, OH is attached to carbon with half bond. Br bond is broken with half bond. That means half bond is formed with OH and half bond is broken with Br. So actually this transition state is in a sp3d hybridization. That means trigonal bipyramidal. See that structure, students? Trigonal bipyramidal shape, trigonal bipyramidal shape. So sp3d hybridization, trigonal bipyramidal shape, but transition state is highly unstable. This is transition state is our imagination. Imagination means it will not form. Maybe it is possible. This mechanism is possible like this way. So that means this step we cannot consider as a one step. So we cannot consider total reaction as a two steps. Only one step only. Okay? Because transition state is highly unstable. We cannot separate. Then finally Br broken completely. Br goes out and OH completely attached to the carbon. So then we can get methyl alcohol. So here students, observe it. This is not a multi-step. This is single step reaction. So this is a single step reaction. Normally single step reactions are known as concerted reactions. And one more observation is, see this configuration changes. So compare with this carbon, middle carbon. So compare with this carbon, bromine is present at right side. Okay. So here 3 hydrogens are present at the left side of the carbon, and bromine negative part nucleophile is present at right side. In case of product, observe it. I am giving tick mark for carbon. Hydrogens are present at right side, and OH part, negative part, is present at left side. So observe the reactant and product. Negative part is present in here Br, negative part is present at right side of the carbon. In case of product, nucleophile OH, negative part, is present at left side. That means both reactant and product are having opposite configuration. Did you understand, students? So both reactant and product having opposite configuration. This opposite configuration is known as inversion. Particularly scientist name is there. So Walden, the scientist named Walden given this explanation. So on his name we can call it known as Walden inversion product. Walden inversion. Okay, so both reactant and product are having opposite configuration. This opposite configuration is known as Walden inversion. Is it okay, students? So one more time explaining. Try to understand, students. So in a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, we are taking CH3Br. We are taking CH3Br as a reactant, and nucleophile OH minus is attacking. Friend side attack is not possible because there is a direct repulsion between Br minus and OH minus. Hence, direct attack. Friend side attack is not possible. Then OH minus will attack on the back side of the carbon because hydrogens are very smaller groups. Because of smaller groups, it can attack easily. Suppose instead of hydrogens, if bulkier groups are present, means attacking will be difficult. So backside attack is simply possible because of hydrogens are smaller groups. So OH minus will attack on the methyl bromide on backside, forms a transition state. Transition state means our imagination. So it is highly unstable. That means we can think it may be unstable. That's why OH is half attached, Br is half broken. That means OH is having partial negative charge, Br is having partial negative charge. And slowly OH will attach completely, Br will completely broken. Then we can get CH3OH methyl alcohol with the opposite configuration. Both reactant and product are having opposite configuration. This opposite configuration is known as inversion of configuration. That means inversion product. So actually Walden find out. So on his name we given Walden inversion. Under this transition state we cannot consider as a separate step. This is our assumption. Hence this is not multi-step. This is single step reaction only. So bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is a concerted reaction, single step reaction. So rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants means here we taken only CH3Br, OH minus. So R by removal of proportionality we can write a rate constant K. So R equal to K into concentration of CH3Br into concentration of OH minus. So this bracket indicates concentration. So in powers 1 is there. So based on this rate expression, this is known as rate expression, rate law for this reaction. So by using this rate expression, we can write the order of the reaction. So order of the reaction. So suppose if they ask the order of the reaction means, see this above 1 is there now, and here 1 is there. So write this, sum this constant powers. These are the concentration powers. Add these powers, 1 plus 1, 2. And molecularity. Molecularity means how many number of molecules participated in a reaction? 2. Hence there is bimolecular. Molecularity 2 means it is bimolecular. And the next one is main important point is order of reactivity. Order of reactivity. Very important, students. Based on this so many objective questions are possible. So order of reactivity. So normally order of reactivity means primary alkyl halide greater than, secondary alkyl halide greater than, tertiary alkyl halide greater than, allylic greater than, benzylic. So here based on which I given this order. So now consider primary RX. Actually CH3X greater than, we should write. Here we give CH3X. Yeah. Here hydrogens are very small groups. That's why in between the hydrogen atoms there is a gap. In that gap OH minus will attack on that. Then reaction is possible. Okay, students. In CH3Br, hydrogens are very smaller groups. That's why OH minus is attacked on backside very easily. Suppose if you take, instead of hydrogens, if you take CH3 group, bulkiness increases. Bulkiness increases means the space available for attacking is less possible. That means attacking will be very slow. So in case of primary alkyl halide or CH3, these are very fast. Here fast reactions are possible. And then next, in case of secondary, if it secondary means what will happen, students? You should take 2 CH3 instead of 2 hydrogens. Among the 3 hydrogens, you should take CH3, CH3, then here H. Then 2 CH3 means 2 bulky groups are possible. Then only 1 hydrogen or small group is possible. So that means the reaction becomes slow. In case of tertiary means what will happen? 3 CH3 groups you should take here. 3 CH3 groups here. 3 CH3 group means 3 bulky groups. There is no gap, no reaction. So almost no reaction. We can consider as a no reaction or very slow. Okay. So here bulkiness increases means reaction will be becomes very slow. That's why primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary alkyl halides. In case of allylic group or benzylic group, resonance is possible. So here resonance possible. Resonance possible means reactivity is very less.